What up, beauties? Welcome to Forever Chic, and on this show we're talking how to use a jade roller. If you've always wanted to try it out, it's very simple, and I'm going to give you the lowdown on the 4 main rollers that you need to look out for. The first one is 100% nature jade, which is mined from the Sunyan, one of China's 4 famous jade latitudes at 40 degrees. And if you didn't know, it's awesome for blood circulation across your face, and it will increase or assist your lymphatic drainage. So it's great with draining your lymph nodes. It removes toxins, it relieves stress and tension, it will depuff your skin, and it will help with those dark circles. What a beauty! This is every woman's godsend tool. It will reduce your inflammation, it rolls out wrinkles, tones facial muscles, and can help with breakouts along the jawline, as well as soothing your skin. It's so soothing. So basically, one of the things that it does is that it is going to boost your collagen, it relieves sinus pressure, and it stimulates acupuncture and reflex points. I want to tell you that it's very easy to use it. How to use it is that you're going to need either a serum or a moisturizer, and what you're going to need to do is use strokes or gentle pressures that are rolling in upwards and outwards motion. This is what the motions look like, and you will see that these outward motions are linked to your glands or the organs in your body. As you can see, it's mapped on the face there. So this is why it's really good for lymph node drainage. There are so many different types of crystal rollers. The jade roller is one of them. There's also the rose quartz, obsidian, and amethyst. Those are the 4 that we're going to focus on. But let me first talk about the rose quartz. Okay, there is no better way to give your skin some literal love than by using rose quartz roller. Rose quartz is the love stone. It's nourishing and has loving energy, and it also helps calm anger. It's great for balance and is often used to strengthen the blood circulation. So typically, if you are suffering from lack of love, you might get a bit of love from this rose quartz, and I wish you all the best. Basically, for every type of skin, it's gonna work out for you. You know, if you have dry, oily, or acne prone skin. The next one is amethyst roller. The cool new kid on the block is the amethyst roller. The crystal is used to help heal physical ailments and the nervous system. It provides hormonal balance, help with insomnia and stress, calms inflammation, and it brings a sense of serenity. I just love this package. It's awesome for a gift for somebody that you love, but overall it is a beautiful stone, and I think it can bring a lot of difference in your life. So remember that the crystals have powerful tools in healing. This is why they give you these specific prescriptions of what it can do for your skin. So the next one is obsidian. It's the black stone, and its deep and glass-like texture provides deeply detoxifying and the ability to release tension and toxicity. It works to draw out impurities, which can help decongest pores and combat breakouts. Encourages overall balance of your skin. So I'd suggest, if you're suffering from acne and you have hyperpigmentation, this is a great tool. So where are you going to store it? You have to store it in a cool area, and these are the next best thing. These mini fridges for beauties. I will be giving away one in summer, so look out for that competition. But basically, you need to keep it somewhere safe where it's not going to get germs and it's not going to go in a very hot area. If you liked our video, please subscribe.